Hello guys. Welcome back to this very unexpected what time is it? 4:50 update PM on a Wednesday afternoon. It's very unexpected cuz I usually don't do these updates very often unless if it's something that catches my eye or concerns me. Well, this is why I'm here today. And what I've been seeing for the past week, I have been concerned about this all along because these temperatures, I will show you in a minute, they're going to reach near 65 next week. And that's that right about time when that massive storm will be sweeping through. So don't plan on snow. Definitely, I think the snow story is over. I think, snow lovers, you got a day, maybe today and tomorrow, before all the snow is gone. So take advantage of it. But after that, we're gonna be seeing a drastic change in the weather. It's gonna get very mild and warm. We're gonna be talking records next week. And we're gonna shift into severe weather gear mode. Alright? Well, this video will be all about severe weather and what the models want to pin at and what it wants to do. So let's get right into this video immediately because we don't have much time today. So, let's take a look at the GFS. Okay, not the GFS. Euro model. Okay, so in general, this pattern will be quite quiet. Just, okay, Friday, there will be widespread rain in the northeast. There's nothing too bad. But let's get right into the storm. Next Tuesday, it's quiet until this monster comes in. And, it's gonna be a problem. Trust me. I mean, severe weather is breaking out like in the central U.S. Um, yeah, severe weather is just breaking across the central U.S. In fact, the severe weather threat will be so far north into Wisconsin. So that is really gonna be something we need to watch. And this could potentially go up into the northeast. Massive squall line on Thursday at midnight. Massive squall line just like racing through Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama. And I mean, it just keeps continuing that. Look at this squall line. We got into Thursday afternoon. It is, I mean, Wednesday afternoon. Look at this. I mean, you do not want to see this. Look at those tightly packed isobars. Look how these warm isobars surge up to the north, and then right behind it, you have crashing cold air. This is a severe weather outbreak setup right here. A classic setup. Very strong low pressure, 989 up north, just sets up for severe weather. Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Florida, and then it just continues to go to the east. It weakens slightly over Pennsylvania and still produces severe weather. Most likely, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, all the way down to Georgia. And then we get to Thursday evening. It is just rummaging through off to the coast. New Jersey, seeing strong thunderstorms all the way up to New York. Maryland, Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Georgia, and even Florida. And even if we get this sucker out, I mean, it's still producing severe weather. So, what I want you to take away from this, I'm not saying there will be a severe weather outbreak. I'm saying get ready for that potential. Because, I mean, the ingredients that we're having, oh boy, it's gonna be something we need to watch. Seriously. This is not good. Let's go regional. Let's go to the Midwest, for instance. Man, you got some big thunderstorms. Big thunderstorms. These are supercellular thunderstorms possible, which means that they could produce tornadoes, hail, damaging winds. Look at all these supercellular thunderstorms. Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Indiana. I mean, man, I think there will be a tornado risk issued for this area. Yes, I really do think this cold air is crashing right behind it, snow, from the severe weather. Man, it weakens a little bit and turns into a line, but man, it's just, it's gonna be a wild pattern. You may see severe weather in Iowa and it turns over all to snow. And then this squall line just keeps and keeps going. And once we get out, oh my goodness, man, we're gonna see something impressive. We will. Let's zoom from the Midwest all the way to, let's say, Mid-Atlantic, okay? This is the squall line that I really am concerned about this. Look at these notches right here. These are tornadoes. These are the potential for tornadic signatures. And look at this, man. You got a really bowing out line. That means really, that means like really gusty winds and on front of it. The outflow boundary is going to be very strong with this. I mean, man, look at these ferocious thunderstorms just racing through. And we get all the way into the Northeast. Man, you still got a line, a signature of severe thunderstorms. Look at this warmth. It goes all the way up to New York. And man, New Jersey, we're going to have to watch this. We're going to have to watch this. This could be a setup just like last year in the April of 2023. Yeah, we're going to have to watch this because it's kind of concerning me a lot now. In case if you didn't know what April 1st, 2023 happened last year, 9 tornadoes were reported in New Jersey, 4 EF2s, 2 EF3s, 3 EF1s. They were pretty darn strong. And this was the most amount of tornadoes we recorded in a year. So that one event, we ended up with 16 tornadoes this year. That is 7 times the average that we're supposed to have. And we're going to watch this one little line to produce some big time severe weather. And we're going to be ready next week. If we are right, we're going to have cameras set up. We're going to have everything set up for this event because it's truly exciting but terrifying to see that all the way this far out. Oh, man. And then we get a little bit in. Man, this severe weather still continues. So no matter what, we have heating, we have dynamics, and let's look at that right now. The temperature, I mean, my goodness, it surges up to 70 degrees. 70 degrees. 67 in Trenton. 67 in Princeton. I mean, man, it is hot out there. It's not even mild. It's just unseasonably hot and sticky. I mean, man, you get... Oh, man. This is not good. This is what I do not want to see. 68. You might get some 80s down here. And look what happens right behind that cold front. It just crashes with these temperatures. And down to the lower 30s from like almost 70 degrees. This is a recipe for disaster. This is a recipe for trouble, let's say. Then let's move. Okay, so you can actually see where that cold front is. You see that a bright contour with the dark contour? That's that squall line we're talking about. And look, 6 hours out, you're already in the lower 40s in New Jersey. And we go even farther out, it gets cold. It gets to the lower 30s. And watch this. All of us are either like 29 degrees or even lower. And this is what we have to watch. Because this is truly bad. And then it cools down for the whole entire Northeast. Like it really does. But this one little cold front, we're gonna have to watch for some severe weather. This is definitely concerning to me. Let's look at the dew points for this day. Oh my goodness. This is not good. This is not good. So you don't need much in spring for a dew point. And I mean, look at this. We get to 54 in the dew point, and then this is the cold front right here. We still have time to warm up. And the peak of the warmth, we have 60-degree dew points all the way up to New Jersey. This is trouble right here. This is real trouble. This is not good. But I'll stop. Listen, we're still days away from this. This could change. But if we're seeing a long-term signal like that, we're gonna have to get ready. So my suggestion is don't start panicking and you'll be fine. We still have a week away from this monster storm. Don't panic. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be here almost every day until this event. Cause I mean it's just crazy. I won't have much schoolwork. I won't have much of anything. So we will be live once that event happens on Thursday or something. So don't worry, we're gonna be here. And just a note, things can change. This might be like gone tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna be gone. I really don't think. So it's definitely concerning. I'll tell you that. It's not looking good, but for now, don't start panicking. We're gonna fine tune in the details all of this week into next week. And then we'll start thinking how to get ready for the storm. Okay? So, now, what I want to look at is how strong these upper air winds are. Because this is just insane in my opinion. Oh, yes. Okay, so let's zoom out to the whole U.S., alright. My goodness, man. Okay, so you're gonna see here that the system comes in, and it's truly something. Wait, this isn't the one. This isn't the one. Shoot. Height anomaly. No. Okay, so this is the height anomaly. This will highlight where that trough is exactly. And yeah, look. Even on the height anomaly, look at this. You can picture where the warmth is right here. And then this massive boulder of cold behind it. And I mean, once we get Thursday evening, this massive boulder of cold air just comes in. Really something. Really something. I want to look at the vorticity though. The vorticity will highlight where that severe weather sets up. Okay? So we get into Wednesday. It gets into Wednesday afternoon. This thing still takes on a positive tilt. In case you don't know what that is, a positive tilt is not necessarily a bad tilt, because it doesn't allow like these very strong storms to form. So we're still in a positive tilt for Wednesday. We're having severe weather break out across the central US. We get to Wednesday. This thing starts to become a little more concerning because it's starting to take on a neutral tilt, which is neutral, like neutral, not good, not bad. But we go even further out. Look at this, man. It's just digging down. This is starting to look as a negative tilt. And once we get into Thursday, this is a whole blown out squall line. Negative tilt. You see that air coming in from here and just surging outward. This is a bad, bad, bad situation. Because you see these really dark contours of blue right here? That is not good. That is the destructive squall line that might form from that. And let's go even further. I mean, my goodness, man. This is a negative, full-blown negative tilt storm. Negative tilts are more significant and stronger. So, we don't want that. And once we get into Thursday evening, this squall line is just looking, it's just not looking good. Lots of showers and thunderstorm energy for Thursday. I'll tell you that. Next Thursday, this squall line looks intense. And once we get into Friday, the squall line starts to finally move out. Negative tilt trough starts to move out. And the squall line starts to weaken. And we are left in a quiet pattern for now. So, oh my goodness, man. This is gonna be a wild trough. I'll tell you that. It is gonna be pretty darn wild. Let's look at tropical tidbits for some support. Not lower dynamics, thermodynamics. Okay. Okay, that's not it. The euro. The euro will have that for sure. I know it will. Lower dynamics. Cape. Where's the cape? You want the cape? Is it? No. Well, this isn't it. No. Okay, so we can't find it, but you get it, man. It's not a good sign. And once we get into the day 4-8 outlook, we are on the Storm Prediction Center, and it says predictability too low. And you may think, oh wow, it's too low, it's not gonna happen. Well, you're wrong, because look at this discussion. We're gonna read it. The upper air pattern will be hostile to severe thunderstorm development through at least Sunday, with gradually increasing potential for thunderstorms by Monday over the central U.S. Of potential for particular interest will be the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, as models continue to indicate a powerful mid-level trough over the west, ejecting into central U.S. And this is the time frame we have to watch, because Wednesday night into Thursday, it's going to be us in that area. Okay, let me continue. Model run-to-run variability remains large, but a couple days of northward moisture returning to the southern Great Plains, Mississippi Valley will be conditionally favor potential for severe thunderstorms. So central U.S., I would start getting ready for this event. If additional model runs exhibit consistency in the timing and general placement of the ejecting trough over the next day, This will likely prompt consideration for severe weather spatial highlight on Tuesday from the northeast Texas, Oklahoma vicinity northeastward into the lower Missouri Valley. Additional severe weather potential may extend from the lower Mississippi Valley south-northeastward into mid-south and potentially Ohio Valley on Wednesday and mid-Atlantic on Thursday. Now, if you hear this discussion, this means something is about to be brewing. This means something will start to be brewing. Yeah, man. We're definitely gonna be on this storm. Man. We're gonna be watching it all of next week. This week, this is gonna be a tough one. But some bad news. Unfortunately, we do have severe weather threat next week. We switched over from that heavy snowstorm to severe weather potential it's still winter, and we're gonna have a severe weather threat next week. So it's quite early. I'll tell you. Alright, guys, that'll be it for this video. But overall from this video, very concerning look on next Wednesday and Thursday for the severe thunderstorms in the central U.S. and potentially in the northeastern U.S. Mid-Atlantic, Mid-South, everyone. Everyone from the Central Valley all the way up north. And in this area, we'll have to watch for half of the U.S. for severe weather. Even the I-95 corridor. So that'll be it for this video. We're going to be tracking this very intensely over the next week. I'll see you guys on tomorrow for sure. It could be 5 p.m., 6 p.m., or 7 p.m. So stay tuned, because things will be changing. And we will see if this weakens or if this strengthens. Okay, I'll see you guys then.